Look at Luis. Luis, where are we going now? Where are we going? Luis, Luis, yay! We're going to the safari animals.
Okay, here we go.
Lucas, where are you, baby? Where are you?
Ayun, no?
Mapapalo tayo.
Safari journey, explore village, giraffe.
Say giraffe.
What's that, baby?
Giraffe. Giraffe.
What's that?
Magpapakain ba tayo?
Yeah. Yum, yum. Lucas, Lucas, what's that? Lucas, what's that? Lucas, 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 Lucas.
Ayaw na niya humarap dito. Giraffe. Call the giraffe. Tinatawag.
Well, the giraffe is
Pinakadulo na lang.
hello. Wow, babe. Wow. Siya natatakot. Si Lucas naman, si Lucas. Yay! Wow!
Here you go.
Yay!
Okay na. The giraffe is just
Baby Lucas, please. Wow, giraffe. Enjoy. Say bye-bye to giraffe.
Hindi, baka meron itong ibang view sa
Lucas, please.
fish. Fishy.
Fish? Fishy, fishy?
Fishy. Dumi ng ako.
Fishy, fishy na lang. Walang hippo pa.
Fish, walang hippo.
Ah, baby. Lucas, what's that? Yun daw. Ayun daw, ayun.
Fish. Sorry. Fish.
Wow! Bye-bye, fish. Yay!
Babalik ulit yung friend mo. Yan ako niya. Friend mo yan. Babalik siya.
Wow!
Amerikano yun.
Wow!
Babalik yun.
Wow!
minsan oh. Wala pa kang kainin mo.
Yes.
Ares, yan
Please, 1, 2, 3,
Hi!
Hi, Luisis. Yay! Yay! Where are we going? Yay! Yay! Align, align, align.
Yay!
Bus.
Bus. What's that?
And some insects.
What's that?
On your right, you have the giraffe along the fence.
Baby, baby monkey, oh. Baby.
Monkey. Bye, monkey.
Bye-bye, monkey.
Bye, monkey.
Bye-bye daw, monkey. Bye-bye.
Bye, monkey.
That is a great example of men. The ones having the zebra in the feeding area.
Zebra. Look at it.
Next to it, you have the female Greta Kudu. Well, these are very good swimmers. Zebra there. Zebras also sleep while standing, just like the giraffe. So, on the far left there, we have a male giraffe, male ostrich.
Wow.
What's that?
Wow. Roar. Lion.
There's another one on your right.
Lion. Lucas, oh. Hold the lion. Hold the lion.
Depending on where they are.
Lion. Rhino. What's that?
This one which has covered itself with the mud on that side. So they cover themselves with the mud to
What's that?
else on your left.
Bye, tiger.
Bye-bye.
Right.
Wow.
Smaller one is the black one. The male is the one with the horns.
Oh, ang dami
What's
na.
that?
Oh,
Pag pinakawalan mo dito.
water break. Water break. Hi!
Inaantay lumabas eh. O, yan na, tubig, yan na. Water! Ay, ano, it smell like poops.
Where are we, babies? I'm riding on a train.
Bakit? Naku, si Rina haba ng buntot sa bato.
May dragon.
Ayun yung dragon. Halaman.
Dragon fruit pala.
Dragon.
ano, si Pikachu.
Tay, palapit mo siya, tay. Lapit mo siya.
Kuha kayo magdadali, oh. Kuha.
One, two. One, two, three. Hi, hi, baby, pretty baby. Hi, hi, pretty baby. Wow, blue eyes. Thank you. Bye bye.